Hey, good morning, Mid-Missouri. It's about 7:10 when we're recording this. At this moment, we're still looking at clear skies. That's going to change throughout the day. Temperatures are in the 70s. It's a warm start this morning, and we're only getting warmer. So it's warm, it's muggy out there right now. Things are going to kick on. The heat's going to kick on, we'll say, later this afternoon. By about mid-afternoon, we're looking at temperatures in the low 90s with a high right around 92. Feeling warmer than that when you add humidity in. We're feeling like upper 90s, maybe even triple digits. And by the time we get to the evening, we're also adding chances for rain. So where we can get that rain to fall early enough in the day, you might catch a little bit of a break if you find yourself in a rain shower. Otherwise, we're looking at a hot one. Warm and muggy this morning. We'll say that transitions to feeling hot this afternoon. Really a patio lunch, and you may be a bit sweaty out there, but as we head towards the dinner hour, once we get to about 5 or 6 o'clock, we've got a cold front entering to the north, and out ahead of the cold front, we likely have some storms starting to develop. That will begin and likely become more widespread, maybe even back to the north behind that front as we head into the evening hours. As we get outflows to come from those storms, we may get that to kick up some thunderstorm activity back towards the north. Overall, this is going to make progress south. So if you're, let's say you're in Lynn, Owensville, Rolla, Camdenton, you may still be dry through about 10 o'clock. But all that activity is eventually going to make its way to the south and east and bring chances for rain into early Tuesday morning. We may still be hanging on to a couple of showers just after daybreak on Tuesday. But overall, we're starting dry and clear for the rest of us. And we'll have wind out of the north, which will help keep things feeling a little bit cooler. We're keeping dew points lower as well. Today, the severe risk is rather low. We're in a level 1 out of 5. That's the lowest threat level from the Storm Prediction Center. What that means is we could see an isolated strong storm. We have a decent chance of picking up some good rainfall in certain areas. We could see up to an inch, maybe more than that locally. But again, it's going to be pretty hit and miss where we see those heavier rain values. Here's a look at the next 24 hours starting from this morning all the way into tomorrow morning. The focus near Columbia is going to be right around 7 o'clock. But if you're to the south, that all slides a little bit here to the right towards early tomorrow morning. So it really just depends on where you are. And as I mentioned, a very low severe risk today. May see a storm with some hail and strong winds. I think maybe isolated flooding could be a greater risk as we head into early tomorrow. All this activity pushes to the south, and here are our dew points falling into early Tuesday, and that sticks around for Wednesday. So much quieter, much better feeling throughout the middle part of next week. We just got to get through one day that's hot and carries a chance for some thunderstorm activity.